Hello children, today we learn 8 sound words. The 8. Sound of vowel A and A sounds the 8. Now we'll see. This is cat, cat, and in cat word last sound is at, at, cat. Next, this is rat, and in rat word again last sound is at, at, rat. Here the at, and this is mat, mat. Next, this is the at, and this is rat, rat. Now we'll see. This is mat, and beginning sound of word mat is at, mat. Means letter M. M sounds so this is at, mat, mat. Now we'll see. This is rat, and rat sounds, beginning sound of rat is at, rat means R, beginning sound R, R sounds so at, rat, rat. Next, this is the at, and this one hat, hat. Next, the at, and this is bat, bat. Now we'll see which letter will come over, and first we'll see the beginning sound of hat. H means letter H. At, hat. Now we'll see the beginning sound of this one, bat, b means letter B. B sounds b, at, bat. Next, the at, and this is fat, fat. Next, the at, and here this girl is patting her shoulder, means pat, pat. So this is letter F, and F sounds at, fat, at, fat. And now here this girl is patting, means pat, pat, p. And this is letter P, and P sounds p, at, pat. Again, at, the at, and this time set. This boy is sitting, he is sitting, so now we will say set, set. And here this is rat, rat. Now we'll see which letter will come over here. First we'll see the picture. This is set, and its beginning sound s means letter S. S sounds s, S sounds s. So at, set. Next, this is rat, rat, and its beginning sound r. At, rat means letter R. R sounds at, rat. Now we'll see here some words are here and some words over here. Now we'll see some pictures. Okay, first we'll read words. At, fat. At, cat. At, pet. At, bat. At, mat. At, hat. Now we'll see pictures. Okay, and this is bat. At, bat, and this is bat. So at, bat. Next, this is fat. At, fat. Next, pet. At, pet. At, hat. Hat. At, cat. And last one, at, mat. Now we'll see. Now we'll read the letters once again. Letters with sound and then words. T, pet. T, pet. T, mat. T, hat. T, rat. T, bat. T, set. T, cat. T, fat. So my dear students, today we learned at sound words, means at, at. So keep learning, keep practicing. Bye bye.